Hey guys, I wanted to do another essential oils quick tips video, only I'm going to be in my bathroom. But I first wanted to show you guys how I made my soap and water oil solution. I can't remember if I've ever made this on camera before, but this is how I do it. Super simple. A monkey could do it. I just use water. You can use cold water, warm water, room temp water, whatever you want. I just use water, a couple pumps of Dawn dish soap, and I just like to make sure it's like a nice blue color. So I got the soap and water from the place I used to work at. That's how we would wipe things down, with soap and water, but I add doTERRA Peppermint Oil in there because it smells super good. And then I just give it a good shake to see if it's a nice blue color for me. I don't measure anything, I just guess. So starting off in the bathroom, I'm just using a plain old microfiber cloth. This isn't a Norwex cloth. I know I've been doing a few videos with Norwex, but I wanted to give that a break and use some essential oils. So I'm just taking doTERRA Purify Blend. It's a blend oil that has a couple different essential oils in there that are supposed to be purifying. So I think it has like lemon and cypress or something in there. I can't remember. But it smells pretty good, and I just put them directly in the sinks and some on the microfiber cloth, and I'm just wiping down the counters and wiping out the sinks. And then in my toilet, I do have toilet bowl cleaner. This is just Lysol toilet bowl cleaner because the toilet needed to be scrubbed anyway. So I just put some Lysol in there for a few minutes. And then I'm taking Melaleuca oil, which is also, I'm pretty sure, known as tea tree oil. Pretty sure, not positive. But I just put some of that in the toilet bowl on the toilet wand to disinfect it. And if you guys have heard of Poopery, I think Melaleuca is the main oil in there. And then the last thing I do is take my spray and set it in the shower so I can clean my shower out when I'm showering tonight. Hi, Tiny! Hi, Tiny! Aww, little babies. I'm getting tired. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick tips on how I use essential oils in my bathroom. I know I have been doing a lot of videos with Norwex in it, but I also like using essential oils in my house to clean with. So be sure to leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!